llamo Dr. Marcotte y quiero describir a ustedes cuál es la misión de Morada de Timoteo. Morada de Timoteo es un centro de capacitación para los candidatos misioneros que va a entrar al Ecuador o en todo el mundo. El propósito es que los candidatos misioneros y en el futuro los misioneros van a tener éxito y largo plazo en su llamado de Dios. Es importante que ellos van a tener la habilidad para cruzar las barreras en lenguaje y también cultura, normas, cualquier cosa, y para apreciar la cultura nueva.
The vision of Morada Timoteo, Timothy's Abode in English, is that the students graduate confident that God has called them and they know what they're going to do, that they're ready spiritually for mission. So from here, they will go, just like the butterflies came yesterday. They will come here and eat, they come here and gain it, and then they go out and pollinate the world. And so we want to pollinate the world with the gospel of Jesus Christ, which means we plant seeds in other people, and then they plant seeds in other people. The generation. So for us, we're the directors right now, and we are raising up students to come back and be professors here after they've been missionaries, and also talvez, maybe one of them will be the directors here as well. So our vision is to generation after generation after generation for missions.